While most people associate high-calorie foods with unhealthy options, there are actually many nutritious foods that are also high in calories. Here are some examples. Nuts and nut butters, almonds, cashews, peanuts, and other nuts are high in calories and healthy fats. Nut butters, such as peanut butter or almond butter, are also good sources of calories. Avocado. Avocado is high in healthy fats and fiber, making it a great source of calories. It can be added to salads, smoothies, and sandwiches. Whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread, are high in calories and fiber. They can provide long-lasting energy and help you feel full. Dried fruits, such as raisins, apricots, and dates, are high in calories and natural sugars. They make a great snack or can be added to oatmeal or trail mix. Cheese is high in calories and protein, making it a good option for adding flavor and nutrients to meals. Full-fat yogurt. Full-fat yogurt is high in calories and protein, and it also contains beneficial probiotics. It's worth noting that while these foods are high in calories, portion control is still important. Consuming too many calories, even from healthy sources,